From this created network to determine beetle spikes, there are certain proteins that inhibit and encourage different results of whether there are spikes or not. Regarding the network, you can see that the S stimulates the P stimulates the I, and the I blocks the K, and the K blocks the E, and the E stimulates spikes to be produced. A fun real-life example, as you can see, I created this with the map, is baking cookies. The S stands for friends to make cookies, P for the mixer, I ingredients mixed together, and K equals broken mixer, and then the E is the cookie dough. And here is the map. Looking at this map, without the mixer, the P protein, we do not have our mixer, therefore the mixed ingredients are not mixed right and the cookie dough is stopped from being made and therefore no cookies are made. With the ingredients are not mixed right with no I protein, we have our friends there to help and have fun, and we have our mixer out, but the ingredients were unable to be mixed because the broken mixer, which blocks the cookie dough to be finished, and cookies are not made. With no I and E proteins, the ingredients were not mixed here because of the broken mixer, therefore the cookie dough was not made, so cookies were not made. Without the S and K proteins, although you were alone right now with no friends, the mixer was not broken, so the ingredients were mixed and the cookie dough was finished and cookies were made. This example shows how important the specific proteins involved in beetles and the formation of their spikes really are. Some proteins help advance spikes to be grown, while others suppress the growth of spikes. So, this map in terms of beetles. Without the P protein, there are no spikes. Without the I protein, spikes cannot be made either. With both the I and the E proteins missing, there are no spikes. But when the S and the K proteins are missing, there are spikes produced. I hypothesize that spikes are not always present on beetles because of the specific proteins that are present that block other proteins, allowing for spikes to grow.